In the world of streaming, there is an enigma that has left users puzzled and frustrated. A code that has haunted the screens of many. Hulu error code rununk13. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey to unravel the mystery behind this notorious error code. Are you ready to dive into the depths of the digital realm and uncover the truth? Let's begin. Our story begins in the land of Hulu, a streaming paradise where countless shows and movies reside. But, as with many paradise, there's always a hidden danger lurking in the shadows. Enter the infamous rununk13. This error code is known to strike without warning, disrupting the harmony of binge-watching sessions. But what causes this unwelcome intruder to appear? Let's investigate. To solve the enigma, we must first examine the possible culprits behind the rununk13 error code. Our investigation has led us to the three main suspects. Suspect 1. Connectivity issues. Suspect 2. Device compatibility. Suspect 3. Corrupted data. Each suspect has its own modus operandi, but they all share a common goal: to disrupt your streaming experience. Fear not, for we have the tools and knowledge to bring them to justice. Now that we have identified the culprits, it's time to take action and restore order to the land of Hulu. Here's how to tackle each suspect. Number 1. Connectivity issues. Check your internet connection, restart your modem and router, test your connection speed. Number 2. Device compatibility. Ensure your device is compatible with Hulu, update your device's software, reinstall the Hulu app. Number 3. Corrupted data. Clear your browser cache and cookies, delete and reinstall the Hulu app, perform a power cycle on your device. With these solutions in hand, you will be well equipped to confront the rununk13 error code and banish it from your streaming realm. If you want to know the step-by-step process to fix this problem, you can visit to this official blog on our website gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.